kids! Today we're learning about amazing snakes. Slithery, sneaky, and super cool for preschool learning. Snake.
Yay!
Snakes have no legs and move by slithering on the ground. Can you wiggle your body like a snake?
Cobra.
Yay!
Cobras have a hood that spreads wide when they feel scared. Hiss. Can you make a cobra sound?
Python.
Yay!
Pythons are very big snakes that squeeze their food instead of using venom. Stretch your arms wide like a giant python.
Boa constrictor.
Yay!
Boa constrictors are strong snakes that hug their prey tightly. Give yourself a big squeeze like a boa.
Viper.
Yay!
Vipers have long fangs to inject venom into their food. Open your mouth wide like a viper.
Rattlesnake.
Yay!
Rattlesnakes shake their tails to make a rattling sound. Can you shake your hands fast like a rattle?
Anaconda.
Yay!
Anacondas are the heaviest snakes in the world, found in swamps and rivers. Splash, splash. Pretend you're swimming like an anaconda.
Garter snake.
Yay!
Garter snakes are harmless and often seen in gardens. Wave your hand like a friendly garter snake.
Corn snake.
Yay!
Corn snakes are colorful and help farmers by eating mice. Let's smile and say thank you, corn snake.
King snake.
Yay!
King snakes are strong and can even eat other snakes. Wow! Can you roar like a king snake?
Green tree python.
Yay!
Green tree pythons curl up on branches and stay very still. Can you curl your body into a circle like them?
Ball python.
Yay!
Ball pythons roll into a tight ball when they feel shy. Make a round ball with your arms.
Rosy boa.
Yay!
Rosy boas are small, gentle snakes found in deserts. Wave hello to the rosy boa.
Milk snake.
Yay!
Milk snakes have bright red, black, and yellow stripes. Can you pretend to be colorful like a milk snake?
Black mamba.
Yay!
Black mambas are super fast snakes from Africa. Run in place quickly like a black mamba.
Coral snake.
Yay!
Coral snakes have red, yellow, and black rings that warn others.
Eastern hognose.
Yay!
Hognose snakes make funny faces and sometimes play dead.
Bush viper.
Yay!
Bush vipers have scaly, spiky skin and live in trees. Can you make spiky hands like a bush viper?
Sea snake.
Yay!
Sea snakes live in oceans and are great swimmers. Pretend to swim like a sea snake.
Brown snake.
Yay!
Brown snakes are small, but very quick. Can you dash across the room like a brown snake?
Tree snake.
Yay!
Tree snakes are skinny and can move easily on branches. Stretch your arms out like a tree snake climbing.
Rat snake.
Yay!
Rat snakes help by eating rats and mice. Say yay for the rat snake.
Sand boa.
Yay!
Sand boas love to hide under the sand. Pretend to bury yourself like a sand boa.
Eyelash viper.
Yay!
Eyelash vipers have tiny scales above their eyes that look like lashes.
Rainbow boa.
Yay!
Rainbow boas shine with rainbow colors in the sunlight.
That's all for today, kids. Snakes may look scary, but they're amazing animals that help nature. Keep learning and having fun with our kids learning videos every day.